Often called the perfect perennial, daylilies are beautiful, low-maintenance flowers that can be grown in almost all growing zones across the U.S. They spread naturally, help control weeds, and make excellent ground cover. True to their name, the blooms only last for one day, but will be replaced by new ones the next day. Plant them in the spring, and you'll have blooms all the way into fall. Most daylilies need full sun, with some varieties needing partial shade. They can be planted in your garden bed or in a pot. Daylilies are typically sold as either already growing plants or bulbs. If you're planting bulbs, dig a hole 12 inches deep and place the bulb with the crown 1 inch below the surface. Pat the soil and water thoroughly. Continue to water regularly, add mulch to help retain moisture, and fertilize prior to blooming. Encourage increased flowering by removing dead blooms that don't fall off on their own. When the plants are done blooming altogether, cut the stems back to ground level. Just be careful not to damage the crown of the bulb. Plant daylilies now, and you'll enjoy them for years to come.